ang hinahanap ko. Parang pa-round siya na uso ngayon na microphone and magnetic siya. So, I'm just so excited when I open this. Naiiba siya sa Boya at saka sa TX lavalier microphone na meron ako kasi meron na siyang compact casing and this is gonna serve as a power bank para dito, para siya na yung mag-charge mismo sa iyong mga microphones. Sa lagayan nito, nandito na ang dalawang microphones mo. So, you have two TNW microphones. And ito naman ang i-connect mo sa iyong phone. Make sure na naka-on yung OTG mo. Kung naka-OTG yung phone mo, this is how it looks like. Yeah, it has a power indicator here kung ilan na lang ang pwedeng available na power niya. There's a Type-C charger over here. At if you want to also charge your phone habang nakasaksak tong connector niya is you also have the port here. And then also kung gusto mong i-charge individually ang mic, you also have the power port in here. Alright, let's go ahead and try this out. So of course, ilalagay natin ang connector. Make sure na naka-OTG, naka-turn on yung OTG ng phone mo. And this is a microphone connected already. Tapos, alam natin nakakonect na siya. Let's just go ahead and press the power button dito sa side ng one time again. So that pag naka-turn on na yung red light, this is already in a noise cancellation mode. So, I assume na you could still hear a little bit of dabog-dabog kung naglalaro at nagdadabog ang baby ko in the background. But, all in all, you will hear na wala na yung white noise. Yung parang ganon. Hindi siya matibay kagaya ni Boya na pag nasa harap ng electric fan ka, wala siyang tunog. Dahil, in front of me right now, there's an electric fan na how it would be pag nakaharap siya sa electric fan. Hindi siya ganon katapang yung noise cancellation niya. I don't know kung lalagyan ko to ng puff para wala talagang noise. I don't know if it works. Now, this is the best feature about this. This is a clip. Ayan o. So, may clip ka na. And then, kung gusto mo naman na naka-magnet siya sa t-shirt mo and all that, pwede siya. Look. O, diba? Ang syala. So, you can actually magnet it sa iyong mga damit. So, this is it. This microphone also claims to still be connected to your phone and you can still be heard so loud and clear even 60 meters away. So I'm also gonna test out. So first is I'm about 3 meters away from you, from my phone, and I'm going here about 8 meters away from my phone. You can see here. And pupunta ako sa kabilang kwarto namin. Here, nasa tapat ako ng electric fan. Like I said, the noise cancellation in front of the fan is not the same as Boya, so hindi siya level doon. And then in here, I am so much far away now. I think this is just about 25, 30 meters away from my phone. At nasa kabilang kwarto ako ha, so may mga barrier. Let me shut down yung door. Ayan, nakasarado yung pinto and I'm on the other side of the room. I'm not sure if I'm still connected. And so far, this is the sound around this area in here. Alright, now let me go back to the other side of the room. Okay, let me see. And I'm back. I'm back in here. Alright, so that is this microphone. Now, if you feel like this is the microphone for you at gusto nyo to, I have put it in the yellow basket. Before I go, the price range of this one is from 700 to 1,200 depending kung anong araw ka bumili. But I will go ahead and put on the yellow basket all different shops where you could choose from. Tingnan mo na lang kung sino yung naka-sale, and if naka-sale, i-grab mo na if you like this. Anyways, that's it for now. See you next time. Bye!